Alright, this is part 3 of the video. I got the new 3-tab shingle here. I'm going to slide this into place and then start to fasten it. Okay, that's in position now. While I'm doing this, I have a regular hammer, roofing nails. I'm going to attempt to start fastening this shingle here. Oh, can you come down here a little bit? So before, I know we had this here. The nail is in the nail line. I'm left-handed, so this is the very minimum requirement that I need to lift this shingle to strike this nail. Manufacturer requires 4 nails per shingle, so that's what we're going to be installing here today. Just by tapping on this, you can see the granule loss is happening here. You can see the granules just falling down. That's just with a little bit of tapping. With weather, the heat, and over time, this shingle is going to experience more granule loss here. And we found this shingle is beyond repairable condition due to the material transfer and the granule loss. We'll document it in the photos as well. Thank you.